Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is statistics part 2. My dear students, in our class we shall solve a CBQ and another CQ will be your SW. So my dear student, let us start. Today is our lecture number 45 of annual term and today's SW number will be 44. My dear students, let us start our class. At first we read the question number 4. So here the frequency distribution table of marks obtained in mathematics by 50 students is as follows. Okay, so these are marks obtained: 50 frequency 5, 55 frequency 7, 60 means frequency 10, 65 frequency 15, 70 frequency 8, 75 frequency 3, 80 frequency 2. What do you mean by frequency? Frequency means number of students who have obtained 50 marks. Then 7 is number of students who have obtained 55 marks. 10 means number of 10 students who have obtained 60 marks. 15 students who have obtained 65 marks. 8 students who have obtained 70 marks. 3 students who have obtained 75 marks. 2 students who have obtained 80 marks. Dear student, question number A. Determine the mean of the first 10 prime numbers. Question number B. Determine the median. Question number C. Draw the pie chart of the data. I hope you have understood. Now the first question is determine the mean of the first 10 prime numbers. Before starting to solve this math, at first we want to know what is prime number. Prime number means a number which is greater than 1 and which has only two divisor, 1 and itself, then that number is called prime number. Here you notice a number which is greater than 1, that means number must be greater than number 1. So the first number of prime number is 2 and 2 is the only one even number which is the prime number. So 2, then prime number 3, then prime number 5, then prime number 7, then prime number 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, then 29. So my dear student, these are 10 prime numbers. Why these are prime numbers? Because they have only two factors, 1 and itself. Just like 29, it has only two factors, 1 and 29. Okay. So we need to find out the mean of the first 10 prime. To find out mean, at first we add this number. That means 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 23 plus 29. So at first we add, notice 2, 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 7, 28 and 37, 40, 49. So this 9 is placed here carrying 4 to 6, 6 to 6 and 2, 6 and to 8 on 9, 9 on 10, 10 on 11 and 12. So 129. That means if we add first 10 prime numbers, then we get 129. Mean, here we know that sum of data divided by number of data. Here how many data are there? There are 10 prime numbers. So number of data is 10 here. So we divide 129 by 10. If we divide 129 by 10, then we get 12.9. Okay, by simple calculator we can easily find out, or you can use here 10 divided by 129. How can 10 on the 10, that means 29, 10 to the 29. That means in 9, for this reason we give here point and 0, 9 to the 9 10 the 19. So 12.9. I hope you have understood. No need to show here. Okay. Okay, for your better understand. Question number B, draw the median. Draw the median. Okay, here frequency distribution table of determining median. That means for determining median, at first we make a frequency distribution table. Here you notice marks obtained and frequency are given. Marks 50, frequency 5, 55 7, 10, 60 10, 65 15, 78, 75 3 and 82. Dear students, now we find out cumulative frequency to find out the median. So dear student, notice Here 5, for this 5 I write here 5. Cumulative frequency for this 5 I write here 5. After that, to find out the next number, at first we add the 7 with 5. 7, 5, 12. Okay. Then to find out the third number, we add that number with 10. That means 12 with 10. We get 22. After that, we add 22 with 15 and we get 37. Then we add 37 with 8 and we get 45. After that, we add 45 with 3. Then we get 48. After that, we add 2 with 48 and we get 50. Okay. So notice there are 50 students. After finding cumulative frequency, then the last number will be the total number of students. I hope you have understood. If the last number will be the total number of students, then our cumulative frequency is correct. Okay. So dear students, here now we find out the median. Here n equal to 50. 50 is even number or odd number? It must be even number. As even number, so which formula is applicable here? Median equal to n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Notice here n equal to 50. So 50 divided by 2 term plus 50 divided by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Here if we divide 50 by 2, we get 25 term. If we divide 50 by 2, we get 25 and add with 1 and it will be 26 term. 25th term and 26th term, 6 terms average will be the median of this given data. Notice 25th term. Where is 25th term? Notice here this number is 22. This number is 22. That means it starting from 13 and finished at 22. That means its initial point is 13 and its terminal point is 20. But here its initial point is 23 and terminal point is 37. 37. So my dear students, 23 between 23 and 37, 25th term and 26th term are lies. So 25th term or 26th term lies in these marks, these classes. I hope you have understood. That means 65 plus 65. Okay. I repeat it again. 25th term plus 26th term, where it is lies between. Notice it start from this 65 plus, it start from 23 and last 37. So between 22 to 37, 25 and 26 term are lies. So 25th term is 65 and 26th term is also 65. Now we add these two number, we get 130 divided by these two. If we divide, then we get 65. So median is 65 here. I hope you have understood. Next question number C. Total, draw the pie chart. My dear students, we know that here total number of students is 50 students. Total number of students is 50 students. Now notice we use the frequency, that means number of students and total number of students to draw pie chart. So first of all, notice for 50 marks, total number of students is 50 and frequency, that means number of students who have obtained 50 marks in the exam, then that number of student is 5. So 5 by 50 multiplied with 360 degree equal to, now we cut this number and after that we get 36. Okay, I hope you have understood. How can we divide this 50 by 5? We get 10 and we divide 360 by this 10 and we get 360 degree. In similar way, notice 50 is the total number, 7 is the number of frequency. After that multiplied with 360 and we get 50.4 degree. Next we divide this 10 by 50 and multiply 360 degree, we get 72 degree. After that, for this frequency, that means 15 divided by 50, multiply 360 degree and we get 108. 8, for this 8, I divide this 8 by 50 because 50 is the total number of students and 8 is the number of students who has obtained 70 marks in exam. That means 80 divided by 50 multiplied with 360. After calculation we get 57.6 degree. Next, for these 3 students, 3 divided by 50 multiplied by 360. We do calculation here, and after that we get 21.6 degree. For last 2 divided by 50 multiply 360, and we get 14.4 degree. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, we draw pie chart. To draw pie chart, at first we draw a circle and a radius. Here you notice this is the circle, this is the circle, okay, this is the circle and it is the radius. At first we draw 36 degree here. At first we draw 36 degree here. Notice, okay, now 36 degree, this is 30 degree, 35 degree and 36 degree is here, okay. Now we add, okay, we add up to circumference of the circle, okay, no need to extend. Next, this one is done. Then 50.4, after that we take radius, we take okay. Next, so 50.4, where is 50? Notice this is 50.4, that means 1 2 3 here. Then we add up to circumference, okay. So this is 36 degree, this is 50.4 degree. After that you notice 72 degree, where is 72 degree? Here is 70 and here is 72. Now we add, sorry, you add only up to circumference of the circle. After that 72 degree done, then 108 degree. 108 degree is where? This is 90 degree, this is 100 degree and this is 180 degrees here. Okay, now I add. This is 108 degree. After that 57.6 degree, 57.6 degree. Notice, .6 How can? This is 50 and this is 70.6. That means here. Now we okay. After that 21.6 degree. Notice 21.6 degree. This is 21.6 degree. Now we add. Okay, this is 57.6 degree. This is 21.6 degree. This is 14.4 degree and left one is 14.4 degree. I hope you have understood. My dear student, now we add. If we add, then we get 360 degree. Okay, I hope you have understood how to draw pie chart of question number C. So first of all, we find out the required angle for each frequency. After that, we draw that angle in the given pie chart. That means first of all we draw a circle. After that, we take a radius, use that radius, we draw the each angle which we obtained by using the frequency of the given distribution table. Okay. I hope you have understood question number C. This is our today's CW. And question number 3 will be SW, and it is marks obtained in mathematics by 30 students of class 8 are given below. Here 51, 67, 53, 50, 81, 80, 71, 82, 87, 82, 75, 70, 67, 60, 53, 62, 65, 55, 50, 52, 71, 61, 72, 52, 41, 47, 43, 40, 57, 42 and 44. Dear student, by using this data, we solve question number A, B and C. Question number A, among 60 students of a school, female students are 200. Express the angle by a pie chart from the female student. That means we know that for 60 students the angle is 360. For one student what? For 200 student what? After that we get the required angle. Then we show the angle in the pie chart. To draw pie chart, at first we draw a circle. After that we take a radius. Using that radius we draw that angle. I hope you have understood. Question number B, make a frequency distribution table with 5s class interval. We have done a math just like this in our lecture number 44. Lecture number 44. Okay, please take help from this to do this SW. So question number C, find out the median and mode of the given data. Here numbers are given. To find out the median, at first we arrange the data because they are not arranged. At first we arrange the data in ascending form or descending form. Okay, after that we find out the median by using formula as n, that means total number is 30, so it is even number, so use the formula of median for even number term. Okay, I hope you have understood. And mode, what is mode? Mode is the number which appears maximum time. That means we notice which numbers appear maximum times, and that number will be the mode. I hope you have understood. You must do your assign SW, that means SW number 3 in your SW copy, and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.